So this is an existing customer of ours that we've already installed a motorized power screen that covers their entire front door because the afternoon sun is so intense that it was heating up their front door and warping it. Our next project is going to be this window right here. It's actually the office of the husband inside, and it just gets massive amount of sun on a daily basis, especially from about 2 o'clock in the afternoon until about 8 o'clock. So you got about 6 hours where that room is heating up. So we're going to do the exact same fabric that is on this motorized power screen, which is a 95% sunblock. Today is the day to install the front window motorized power screen.